Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here today, and we're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video today it's all about the Apple WWDC 2025 and what they actually introduced. So I was kind of late on the keynote, but I had to check out the highlights and see what they actually introduced. And something which is so kind of fascinated me, it captured me on the way back to Windows Vista, but right now they introduced something called liquid glass kind of operating system, which it's really good. I think it's an inspiration throughout those kind of, the thing which they introduced it. I'm kind of like forgetting it because I did not even review it, but I saw it way back. That kind of stuff which you use it and you kind of like, you can vision it's called Apple Vision. So it's like mechanism like that which appears throughout glass and it adapts throughout the background to give it blurry, so as you can have enhancement throughout the operating system. But today I'm going to talk about the features which actually has throughout there. So let us just start from the beginning. Running overhaul throughout the whole operating system. It's a liquid glass. Secondly, they introduced the liquid glass dynamic design language that brings fluid glass like transparency to iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and watchOS. This new aesthetics replaces the frosted glass look, offering a more cohesive and immersive user experience across all devices. iOS 26, a unified year-based naming system, and a visual design throughout there. So we're saying goodbye to the version numbers with iOS 26. Apple adapts a year-based naming conversion, aligning all its operating system under a unified versioning system. This changing simplifies updates and makes it easier for users to stay current. iPadOS 26 true multitasking capabilities, and it's really nice to the Samsung operating system which adapts everything. As some of you guys know, Apple usually love using the ecosystem throughout their flow throughout their products, and we're introducing a macOS Tahoe, which is a refined user experience. We're talking about the whole change throughout the operating system, and it introduces refined user interface with the liquid glass design, offering a more transparency and cohesive look. The updated menu bar, redesigned cursor, and the unified app icons, enhancing both aesthetics and usability across all their product lines and even the macOS how it is. Apple Intelligence AI integration across devices and Apple Intelligence features in action across devices. Apple Intelligence brings advanced AI capabilities to your fingerprints with on-device processing and cloud integration. Features like Genmoji, Image Playground, enhanced Siri interaction offer personalized and context-aware experiences. watchOS 26 enhanced fitness interaction. watchOS features include the new wrist flick gesture, which is really nice, and we're having the XCode empowering developers with AI tools. It's like having a ChatGPT integrated on the XCode. We're having APIs, which will be an open AI to developers, which they can try to come up with a different kind of frameworking or applications and all of that throughout the features, which is going to be really amazing throughout there. So it's a bunch of features, I can say, to my own kind of aspect, which it's really great. So wrapping up throughout what's the next big thing throughout Apple, I can say the Liquid OS is such an amazing thing. Overall, it's really nice through what the products they bring and what they actually would like to come up with next. I mean, through the versions of the operating system, they're going to be reflecting throughout each kind of year. And I think to my own aspect is actually not bad, but down the line, changing operating system names, I don't think it's ideal. I think they could just stuck with what they have. I understand this might be bringing the pressure due to the Apple Intelligence, which they were about to release it couple of past month since last year, which they said, but I think, let us just hope throughout there what they actually bring best. And as some of you guys already know, I'm just a reporter. I'm just a reporter because I'm actually not using any Apple devices for right now. But perhaps in the future, I might be grabbing one so as we can try testing it around, so as I can give you my final thoughts about the experience on using, because last time we just checked out the iPhone 12 mini and you guys seems to be loving it. But I think we're going to grab something portable because I don't want a bigger phone. I just want something which might be a little bit much better, and we're going to be continue testing through over here. So thank you guys for all tuning in on this video to check it out, the highlights. These are just the highlights which Apple actually covered throughout the WWDC 2025, and up on the next one, guys. Hope you like it. Up on the next one. Peace.